I'm Gina and welcome to my art studio. Today I've partnered with Custom Picture Frames to show you how to elevate your art with float mounting. Float mounting is a style achieved by placing the artwork on top of the frame matting, creating a floating appearance that's complemented by shadows underneath the picture. To make a float mount, you'll need a frame, mat board, foam core, frame spacers, a few different art tools, and the art piece of your choice. When choosing your frame for the float mount, you want to make sure that it has enough space inside for the art to breathe. The art should not touch the glass and should have enough space for a piece of foam core to fit behind it. CustomPictureFrames.com has a wide variety of frames of different depths to give you the perfect frame to float mount your art or trinkets. Step 1. To begin, cut your mat board to the same size as the back of the frame. The deep frame we're using today is provided by Custom Picture Frames and also includes a pre-cut white backing. Step 2. Cut the foam core about a 1/4 inch smaller than the art. Here I have one of my op art prints that I'm going to be framing today. It should be just small enough so that you can't see it when in the frame. Measure your art and trace its outline on the foam core. Measure a 1/4 inch from this outline and make a mark. This will serve as your reference point to cut parallel to the outline of your art. Next, take your knife and carefully cut the foam core out, staying a 1/4 inch inside the lines at all times. Step 3. Next, mount your art to the foam core using artist tape. Ensure that the foam core is completely covered. Step 4. Tape the foam core to the mat or backing, making sure it's centered. I'm going to eyeball my placement, but you can measure if preferred. Step 5. Measure and cut the spacers to fit tightly around the inside perimeter of the frame. The spacers are needed so that your art does not touch the glass. We recommend using foam core for a seamless fit with the backing. Step 6. Now the fun part. Assemble your frame and check out your masterpiece. Float mounting works with all kinds of art and objects. Find a frame today at CustomPictureFrames.com, where you'll find hundreds of frame options with a wide variety of sizes, styles, and depths to choose from to make your floating art come to life.